I'm looking for the ignition coil for my Mantis tiller. The part number is how do I check to see if it's still working?
What's the brand and model of your tiller? How old is it?
Mantis 7222M. Bought it in 1997.
What have you tried so far with your tiller?
I have replaced the carburetor with fuel lines and fuel tank.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
The engine turns over but won't start. Also replace the air filter and spark plug.
15,062,611,521 has been replaced by part number. Unfortunately, that is a discontinued/obsolete coil, so unless you are able to find new old stock, or good used part, if your coil is bad it is pretty much done for. To check if it will fire, you will need to remove the spark plug wire from the plug, remove plug, and find an old spark plug, pry the gap for the old plug open to about 1/4 inch wide gap and clamp it to good bare engine ground. Hook spark plug wire to that and crank engine over. If you get a spark, any color, across that gap, the coil is good. If not, you can repeat the test with your regular, properly gapped, spark plug, and if still no spark, check the shutoff wire to make sure it is not shorted to ground, or you can disconnect it from the coil and put cover back on, and repeat the test. If still no spark, the last test is to pull off the spark plug boot and the wire coil terminal unhook from the wire, and see just the bare wire connected to the spark plug will give a spark. And if it still will not fire, the coil is bad. The spark plug terminal inside the boot are known for rusting and corroding and breaking the coil wire inside the insulation. If you do get a spark on the first test, you'd need to check the compression. Those engines should give 110 to 150 psi compression. If it is below 100 psi, then compression is too low to start.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.